In this video, let me show you how to delete suggested email address in Gmail. The first thing you need to do is go to your preferred browser and search for Google Contacts. Make sure to sign in using the same Gmail account. Once you're in, go to the Frequent or Contacts section or check Other Contacts where you'll likely find most of the suggested addresses. Search for the contact you want to delete or select multiple at a time. Next, go to the top right corner and click on the More Actions button, which looks like a triple dot icon. Then select the Delete option. After doing this, the contacts will be removed from your Gmail suggestion. These contacts will remain in the trash for 30 days, but you can go to the trash and delete them permanently right away if you prefer. Once deleted, the email address will no longer show up as suggestions. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.